Social Security Fund SSF registration in Nepal. The Social Security Fund in Nepal is governed by Social Security Act 2018. The Act requires every employer to enlist their name and its employees in the fund, who should be registered under Social Security Fund. The notice published on Nepal Gazette does not specify the fixed sectors, industries, businesses, and services that need to be enrolled with the fund. Therefore, all employers and employees must be registered under Social Security Fund in Nepal. What is the authority to register Social Security Fund in Nepal? Office of Social Security Fund is the governing authority of Social Security Fund. The Office of Social Security Fund, Nepal monitors, regulates and provides the certificate of Social Security. What is the procedure of enlisting the employee and employer in the Social Security Fund? Step 1. Firstly, the employer must register its name under Social Security Fund. The employer must submit the online form in prescribed format. Step 2. The employer will get the certificate within 2 days from the date of application. Step 3. After the registration of employer in Social Security, employer should also register its existing employees. What are the documents required for registration of employer and employee under Social Security Fund? The documents required for registration on Social Security Fund as an employer for the Social Security scheme are as follows: Certificate of Company Registration, PAN, VAT certificate, details of employer, and application to the Office of Social Security Fund. The documents required for the registration of Social Security Fund Nepal for an employee are as follows. Number 1. Details of the employee. Number 2. Employee citizenship, national ID card, PAN certificate, passport. Number 3. Passport size photo. What is the rate of amount to be deposited in the fund? After listing under the Social Security Fund, the employees and employers shall have to deposit an amount on following rate respectively. Number 1. Provident Fund, employee 10%, employer 10%. Number 2. Social Security Tax, employee 1%. Number 3. Gratuity, employer 8.33%. Number 4. Medical insurance, employer 1.67%. Total rate is 31% of basic salary. The employee shall deposit 11% and the employer shall add 20% of the basic salary per month, 31% of the basic salary of employee to the fund every month. Is there any government fee required for registration? No government fee is required to list the company or the employees under Social Security Fund Nepal.